Hi, and welcome to this tutorial in FME, where we will look at how we can calculate the area of our features. So for this demonstration, I have a shapefile with polygon features. So it's the subdistrict shapefile I have used previously in my tutorials. So if I run this data, we can see that we have 3 features and they have different shapes and sizes. So how we calculate the area of our features is that we type area calculator and we double click the area calculator transformer and connect it to our data. So we press the cogwheel so we can change the name of the attribute column for the calculated areas. I'm just going to keep it as it is. And you have some options here. If it's sloped, it means that it has your features have a set value, meaning the height. But my data is only 2-dimensional, doesn't have any heights, so I'm just gonna choose the plain area. And the multiplier, it means what you will, how you will change the calculated area. So if it's just 1, it means that it will just be the squared of the units of the coordinates reference system that you are using. But you can use this if you want to change it so that the values corresponds to kilometers squared instead of just meters squared, for example. But I'm just going to keep mine as 1 here. So I press OK. We run the transformer and we see that we have a new attribute column with the calculated areas. As we can see, the biggest one here has the biggest number. Makes sense. And if you look in the graphics window, you can choose to see the coordinates that the data is in, which for me is UTM 32 north. And we can see that units is in meters. So that means when we have multiplier that is 1, it will be in meters squared. So that's it for this short tutorial. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, it will be amazing if you gave the channel a subscribe and a like for the video. I'll see you in the next video and take care.